Alright, this is my first ever unboxing video. Let's see how this goes. I bet you can't guess where it came from. The Legacy 1000 BB pellet rifle. Specifically designed to kill birds in your brand new shop. Well, this was the cheapest rifle that I could find with a scope on it that was on Amazon, so that's the main reason why I got it. The other main reason that I got it is I didn't have to go anywhere to actually get it. I just had to and then Amazon delivered it for me. So anyways, we're unboxing a rifle here. I can't open it. It's safety. It's live right now. It's live on the interwebs. Don't mind her. Okay, so we've got this thing here. Oh, this feels expensive. There's some instructions here. Oh man, I hate instructions. That means I have to do something. Okay, owner's manual, arrows, letters, words. Oh, d'utilisation. Okay, great. Oh, it's got covers for it. Great. Oh, here's another owner's manual. This is for the gun. That's for the scope. Cool. It does not look like it came with BBs. It was a package deal. Supposed to come with BBs, did not. Anyways, that's what it looks like. I mean, it is like a $60 rifle with a scope. So it's plastic. It's not super light, but it's not super heavy. Look at that sight. Oh guys, they're going down. I feel like I could beat somebody to death with it. That's good. It does have a safety. Right there. Push. Push to fire. I'm gonna have to figure out this here situation with the scopage. high quality stuff here. That's not how that goes.
Is Daddy dropping things? Or he's afraid of it?
He should be more afraid of me than the gun.
I think he has memories.
That is just a high dollar. Yeah, that's great.
Hey, Dad. What are you doing?
Oh. All right, the problem I'm facing, it's freaking crooked. So I gotta rotate that bad boy. I have to loosen it up here just a skosh. So go ahead and take all the threads out of there. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now, oh, you're not. That's tight and secure. Okay. What we're gonna do is we loosened up all of the screws, the rail screws and the scope screws, because that was crooked. So I'm gonna tighten the rail screws and then caulk this and tighten the scope screws. Something like that. As far back as it's gonna go. Crosman? Something? We've had innovation and quality since 1923, so that's solid. Built in America. Holds 850 BBs, that's pretty sweet. You can pump it up. Dual ammo. Pellets, for getting serious. That's like elephant hunting. And then BBs is like hunting your neighbors. Oh, look at ideal for birds. This is perfect. Give you guys let's see, a little bit of a view here. I'll model it for you. That's how you pump it. There's the safe, push to fire deal. And just slide. So you pick your nose, stick your boogers in there. It's pretty snazzy. Sure wish they sent me the BBs that they said they would. That'd be cool. Then I could use it. It is a scope, but it's pretty cheesy. But hey, it's better than nothing. Like I said, 60 bucks for the whole thing. Except I am leaving Amazon a bad review because this was supposed to come with like 1,000 BBs. I don't see any BBs. Do you guys see any BBs? I don't see. I mean, there's some chapstick. There's this little miniature shot glass. This is like a really exotic one of those new age rings, you know, look at fabulous. Yeah, I don't have any BBs, so it's going to be real hard to see and sight this thing in without being able to like shoot at something and then adjust from there. So anyways, I'm going to order some BBs. That's the next step.